Hi guys, welcome back to Study in Philly. I'm Ivy here and happy Lunar New Year. I know that when I update this video, the Lunar New Year already passed, but I would love to show you what I did in Lunar New Year as an international student with our family and live in America. So let's get started. So first we moved to the house of my friends in order to have dinner with her family with sticky rice cake, pickle at skukil, and this is my friend Hannah. So then we have some wine. Actually, it's not wine; it's just craft fruit. And then we moved to her grandparents' house. Actually, it's like I'm not sure why they, but her family. So there are many people gathered there. Especially they have dinner with sticky rice cake with the sauces, and now we are waiting for the firework. Hi guys, we're here to wait for the firework. Hi Hannah. So now they were preparing for the firework, so they need to hang it on. And you see, this is the firework. It's extremely beautiful. Like the sound is very like it's a big sound. It can make you like just want to kill yourself. But just patient and watch the beauty of the Tet holiday. Especially all the streets is all Vietnamese. So when I went on the street, I realized that when the firework on my friends' families stop, the other like start to pum 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 pum. So the firework is like extremely make me feel excited because I haven't seen any like firework in the near distance like this. But I just have a little nervous that whether this attack my head, attack my skin, because I'm like stand near it. A little bit silly. Hi guys, Happy New Year! Hi! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! And then we moved to the pagoda. Even though we're Christian, but I would love to visit. So whether I know, so I can know whether what they did there, and especially this is my friend's aunt. So she's prayed for lucky, especially she hold to stuff, and I don't know how to describe it in English. But when she threw it, um, according to the face of its lift up or lift down, you can predict the answer of the send to your dream, to your demand, to your prey. Like as you watch on the videos, is what I did in Lunar New Year, and lucky for me because I can find Vietnamese friends and her family to celebrate with me for this Lunar New Year because I think it's like a good holiday for families to gather together instead of international students because we stay away from we celebrate the Lunar New Year without our family, so it's kind of a little bit sad for us. But I think it's not bad to have more relationship with more people, more friends. Like we can figure out more things, we can be mature without our family, and we will know how to behave, um, behave in front of the other people in a Tet holiday. But especially the things that I like most in for this year is all the lucky money that I received. It's not Vietnamese money, it's in like dollars, so it's like bigger. The bigger the better for the new year. This is what the children looking forward for on Lunar New Year. Even though I'm not children anymore, I'm 18 years old now, but I'm still looking for that. Just kidding. And for the Lunar New Year is not all about the Vietnamese traditional food or family member or like firework like I have said on the videos but particularly it is all about family members gather together, play some traditional games, board game like poker cards like blackjack, you know, any other game, and eat some food like sticky rice cake, and củ kiệu. Củ kiệu is especially kind of pickle, and I extremely into this kind of pickle. Even though this was the first time I ate it, when I was in Vietnam, my parents asked me to eat it for 1,000 times, but I didn't because I thought that it would disgust me. I hate this kind of pickle. But when I came here, I realized that why I'm so stupid. Why I didn't eat it soon, eat it before, and until now I just realized so the delicious taste of this. And so that when you far away from your parents, you will know more thing. You will recognize more thing, realize more thing that you have, even don't care, even you didn't care about it before, and now you have to care about everything. And then, for next day we have a day off. As an Asian student, we have Lunar New Year is biggest holiday of our Asian people, right? So I have the day off, and then we continue to do some traditional ceremony. For example, my friends, she looking for the direction that according to her age, the animals of her age is a dragon, and then maybe I think it's west or east, and then at the time which still according to her age and her animal of age, and then at this time she wake up and went to this direction because she and other Vietnamese people believe that when they do this ceremony, it will help them to bring successful money, lucky, and other very bright things. But in my opinion, personally, I really don't believe in that because it's not worth to me. Especially to me, it's not worth. So I didn't do it. But I still respect people who did it because there's nothing big deal. I think it would be better for you if you have something to believe in. So I think it's quite nice, and the only thing that I'm quite lazy to wake up and to move to the direction that I should move. I'm too lazy. So maybe this is the final video, nearly the final videos for this year's about the vacation, about holiday, because I will not have any others holiday anymore. You know what? Tet holidays is the end until the summer, so I will have some brief video about my vacation in Vietnam. And so for next video, I will help you to learn chemistry and math. So don't worry, it will be easy and interesting. I hope so. So I hope that through my videos you will love it, enjoy it, and don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel. And see you later in the next video about math and chemistry. See you!